Industrial Ethernet is the core technology behind smart manufacturing, providing fast, stable, and secure communication. The key to seamless device connectivity and real-time data exchange in smart automation lies in industrial Ethernet switches. Volktek offers highly compatible and flexible switch solutions to help industries build stable and scalable network infrastructures. Unmanaged basic switches enables basic interconnection between devices for easy aggregation. Unmanaged premium switches enhanced design for greater stability and protection in industrial environments. Light managed switches offering partial management features ideal for small to medium applications, with cost-effectiveness and flexible deployment. Managed switches supports full network management, ideal for large and complex infrastructures, with high reliability and scalability. Volktek switches are certified for harsh environments, including substations, marine, and railway applications. They also support key industrial protocols, such as Profinet and Ethernet IP, and are certified for intelligent transportation systems with NEMA TS2. SPE switch. Compact and efficient industrial networking, with single-pair Ethernet for streamlined cabling, and high-performance communication. TSN switch. Time-sensitive networking is the next-generation Ethernet technology, offering time synchronization, low latency, and high reliability. Industrial media converters transform copper RJ45 signals into fiber SFP signals, enabling long-distance and interference-resistant communication. Volktek serves a wide range of industries, including manufacturing, energy and utilities, transportation and logistics, smart transportation, smart cities, building automation. From smart factories to smart cities, Volktek continues to lead with trusted networking solutions built for the future.